Hi there, it's me, Brian Zimmerman, aka ZimZam Puppet Man, again, coming to you with some more tips for being a good puppeteer. Today we're going to talk about character manipulation, exploring movement in your puppetry, and little quirky things you can get your puppet to do, and television and stage puppetry, okay, so using your puppet for different things. Puppetry manipulation. Now, one of the things that you're going to be able to do with your puppet, and by the way, this is Waldo, I've introduced him before. He is my personal custom puppet from Pubbets. I love him, he's adorable, nice and colorful. But little things like, when I say exploring movement, like, or making him sad, surprised, things like that, little idiosyncrasies you give your puppet to make him look like he's like inquisitive, like, huh? What? What in the world? What is that? Oh my goodness! Okay, little things like that to give him a little bit more expression, and just exploring what you can do with the body, with the, with the posture, things like that to give your puppet more movement, give him more expression. Now, I want to talk a little bit about stage puppetry versus television puppetry. So working with stage puppetry, you're behind a stage, your puppet is only seen as far as you put him above the stage. You manipulate him, you make him move around, and the stage crops you off so the audience doesn't see it. With television puppetry, the work of cropping you off is being done by the camera. So you may be holding your puppet up in the air, and the TV camera is going to be cropping him off, much like he is right now with this setup we have here. You can only see so much. You can't see what's going on below. But with television puppetry, you're working with monitors. So you're looking at a monitor to see what your puppet is doing, to see where his eye focus is, to see what his body posture is doing. So that's basically the difference. Now, it's not necessarily, as a beginner puppeteer, it isn't necessarily something that you need to worry about, but I thought I'd throw it out there so that you can kind of digest it and see, who knows, you might want to do videos for YouTube, videos for TikTok, videos for any other social media, and knowing this and understanding it is helpful. So I hope you got something out of this one, and we'll see you in the next video.